Just last month, OnePlus launched its flagship phone, the OnePlus 11, in the global market. The company also launched the OnePlus 11R in the Indian market, which is also a high-end phone that sits just below the OnePlus 11 in terms of performance. Now, OnePlus is going to launch yet another high-end phone, first in the Chinese market. So far, it was rumored to be called the OnePlus Ace 2 Dimensity Edition, but now OnePlus has officially announced that this phone will be called the OnePlus Ace 2V. And since we are talking about the name, it is also worth mentioning that the OnePlus Ace 2 in the Chinese market is the same phone that we know as the OnePlus 11R in the Indian market. So there is a good chance that OnePlus Ace 2V will launch outside of the Chinese market with a different name. So far, there have been rumors that the OnePlus Ace 2V will launch globally as the OnePlus Nord 3. The OnePlus Ace 2V will launch in China on the March 7th. Apart from the name and the launch date, OnePlus also shared the official images and videos showing the design of the phone. So as we can see, the OnePlus Ace 2V looks quite different than the OnePlus Ace 2. There is no longer that circular camera module on the back, and instead the phone has two big circles, one having a primary rear camera and the other having the ultra-wide and the macro cameras. There are also two LED flash modules. And if you're thinking that this back design resembles some Oppo Reno series phones, then you are not alone. The back design definitely resembles the phones from Oppo Reno series. As for the build quality, the OnePlus Ace 2V has glass on the back and there are two color options, green and grey. The grey color option has a sandstone finish on the back, whereas the green color option has a glossy finish. The sides of the phone are flat, so that is yet another difference between the OnePlus Ace 2V and the OnePlus Ace 2. The main reason for this is that there is a flat display on the Ace 2V. The phone also has quite slim bezels all around. As for the exact numbers, the bottom chin on this phone is 2.31mm and the side bezels are just 1.46mm. The phone does not skip the alert slider since it is present on the right side. And well, that is all about the design. As for the specifications, the company has already confirmed some. For example, there is the Dimensity 9000 chipset paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Compared to the OnePlus Ace 2 or the OnePlus 11R, the OnePlus Ace 2V is less powerful since Dimensity 9000 is not as powerful as the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. This also means that Ace 2V is going to be a cheaper phone than the OnePlus Ace 2. Anyways, for better thermals, there is a new heat dissipation system that has ultra high performance graphite. The other rumored specifications include a 6.74-inch 120Hz display with a 1.5K resolution, a 5000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging support, a 64+8+2 megapixel triple camera setup, and Android 13. As mentioned in the beginning, this phone may launch as the OnePlus Nord 3 in the global market. So, what do you think of the OnePlus Ace 2V? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.